Well, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Tai here and I'm back again with a video. And if you guys were keeping updated with my channel, you have guys have known that me and Macri have a relationship going on this channel. So today I have a video call lined up for her, with me and her today, on the Skype, the Hymo. Yeah. But if you're new, we'll give you like an update. From Macri first ever viral video when I Eddie get bust up till she started post about tech people man and all them something there. Yeah. We kinda did us. Jano. We go as far as proposing to her. We go as far as warning her saying I don't want no bun for the Easter, for the summer. The Easter, let's not even remember the holiday. You understand? We go as far as recently, I'm writing a poem for her recently. You can check that out on the channel. But just wait for her for call me now. You understand? And see what she did on. So, don't say nothing, do me? Alright. Shaka, hold on, Shaka. Hello? What's going on, babes? You don't talk to me. Alright then. But let's get straight to the question, Macro. Why you take people man and you have me? Eh? Me there say look you but you don't want me. You take people man. Why? Answer that.
Me take man because me just want love. Me not tell nobody no lie. Me just didn't want love and me did not get it.
Love? So you never think say me could love you? That you try say me could love you? Eh? Me can't love you? You know I get love from? Alright. For instance then, say your mother never love you and like that then. Why your mother, what happened to that? Why your mother playing at this? Eh?
I never have a mother will hug me and tell me get up every day and tell me say she didn't love me and them something. I have no to say to her mother. I just wish if she was a mother in my life, if she just things that happen to me, but no one said me that.
Where you gone? Mackerel, come back! Come back! Mackerel! Jesus, peace. Mackerel, come back! Mackerel! One little time I get to talk to her. First time I see she ball. Anyways, everybody don't know it's a joke that still. Anyways, but what I'm saying, people, look at it this way. Hold on, me talk to her. Yeah. Hold on. Alright, people. I'm gonna try to still. You see the character she put out to make everybody else see now? Well, she put out it before she started crying on live television right now. The character she put out. That's the reason why people laugh after now. But it's not a laughing matter. According to her mother make sure I do all them something here, though. Imagine she get pregnant when she's young, you know, so I look point time I think so maybe her mother kick her out when she finds she's pregnant them time there. Maybe that happen. But I'm sure show now. There's a reason for everybody action, you know, so just have a little sympathy with her, nobody laugh after her and mock her, you understand? Just well, I can't say that because everybody gonna laugh after her. I don't know why. I'm feeling for her still. So one video girl with her mother and I don't watch her still because I don't really care. Anyways, yeah, but just look point from a different perspective. Nobody we can't stop, we can't hold it. People are gonna laugh for care what because of what she do, what she said and how she did the act before this. So next thing nobody can sorry for her next thing too. But thank you for checking out my video. I put my 2 cents out there because I mash up the saga from long time. I go the saga long time. So you don't know, so I put my little 2 cents in it though. So check out my channel if you're new to the channel. Most of them are going new because I know some macro trend right now. So most of them are going new. Check out the channel. Subscribe if you like want to see I like the video. And yeah, the boy Tata is out of here. Peace out. And yeah, I uploaded every day for this week, so I'm going to back to regular schedule now. Yeah, and I don't know, so I have to think I'm going with Shensi. I don't know, me I say. Peace out, yeah, man.